Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 10-inch round canvas. All the colors that I'm using today will be in the description below. My base coat is going to be a tan color. It's called Australian Ghost Gum. So I'm going to use a torch to blow out any bubbles in my base coat prior to blowing it out with the dryer. So I'm blowing it out to get a thin coat on my canvas. If you need to add more paint, go for it. Make sure you get a coating on the sides, and if you have any debris in your paint, make sure you get that out before you start blowing your colors. So I'm just running my finger around the side so I don't have any drips, and the paint is actually laying on the side of the canvas. Now I'm going to lay out my colors. The first color I'm going to put down is a Van Dyke brown. And this next color is the background color mixed with the Van Dyke. So it's the Ghost Gum and a little bit of Van Dyke to get that color. The next color I'm going to use is the background color mixed with a little bit of middle gray as well as brown. Trying to get a taupe color. And then I'm using green gold. And then I'm gonna finish it off with Pebio's, their metallic gold. I'm gonna use the background color, add more of that paint around my colors so that my colors have something to flow over when I blow it out. Then I'm going to blow that background color over my colors and then blow it out in my desired composition. Don't let that first blow intimidate you, because a lot of times it doesn't come out looking like anything and you end up having to work it out by using a tool or a straw or your mouth to blow the design that you like. And a lot of times you end up if you work at it, you will like it. It took me a while to get to a point where I actually liked this piece, but I did like it. So I'll be quiet and let you enjoy the rest of the video. Again, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what I do.